Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs on stainless steel. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, place your stainless steel pan on the stove over medium-low heat. Allow it to preheat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is crucial for preventing sticking. Once your pan is properly preheated, add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a high smoke point oil like avocado oil. Let the butter melt completely, or the oil shimmer, then swirl it around to coat the entire bottom and sides of the pan. This creates a protective layer. Now, pour your whisked egg mixture directly into the center of the pan. Do not stir immediately. Let the edges begin to set for about 30 seconds. After the edges start to set, use a heat-resistant rubber or silicone spatula to gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. As you do this, tilt the pan slightly to allow any uncooked liquid egg to flow underneath the cooked portions. Repeat this gentle folding motion, moving the spatula across the pan, until the eggs are mostly set but still look moist and creamy. Avoid overcooking for the best texture. As soon as your scrambled eggs are mostly set but still have a slight sheen, remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will continue to cook them slightly, ensuring they remain moist and tender, not dry. Immediately transfer your perfectly cooked, fluffy scrambled eggs to a warm plate. Garnish with fresh herbs if you like, and serve right away for the best flavor and texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.